ground.
Hello guys, it's me Soraya. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, please consider to subscribe and don't forget to ring the bell so you get notified when I upload new videos. Today we are going to go to the mall. Yes, it's really hot outside. It's actually 100 degrees and I was thinking let me just cool off at the mall and window shop. I'm going to meet Ian there. Maybe we can have dinner there. So yeah, tag along with me. Got out Stan's Donuts, and they don't have any more sugary, so we got the glazed and the chocolate. We decided last minute to go to Ikea, and so yes, tag along with us. I didn't even do my makeup or whatsoever, so I'm like bare. We're like, we just went to get donuts and then we're like, oh, let's go to Ikea. I'm like, okay.
Hi guys.
We're finally out of Ikea and we spent 3 hours there, but it was crazy. It was crazy because the fire alarm, the fire alarm went off, and I was actually in their restroom, and then Ian was waiting for me at their display area at the ground floor, or the first floor, right? And I was like, oh my gosh, what's going on? I hurried and then I called him and he said he's already by the checkout counter, and I'm like, what? And I'm far. If you guys know where like usually their restroom is food court area, right? And so I'm like, oh my gosh. And then I heard this lady over the speakers, and she said, we have technical difficulties, please do not exit or do not evacuate. So I'm like, thank God. But yeah, that was crazy. And then I just like went ahead and finished shopping. So I'm gonna do maybe a shorts on this one and share my haul. Okay, we're off to TJ Maxx because I want to buy like a wall decor, and let's see if we'll find it there, and also like a mirror for the kitchen or the dining area. So let's check it out. Hi guys, we're finally home and I want to share with you what we got from Ikea. The first one I want to show you are these seat cushions, because the ones we have, we actually have the same ones right now, but they are a little bit dirty, and so we bought a replacement, but they are the same ones. So we got these, and then we also got new rugs for our bathroom. and this matches our shower curtain. We got this a throw blanket for our couch, and we got this because we don't own any wine glasses, so we got a set. And then we also got this for Nico's bed. Well, my sister and her hubby are coming like in 2 weeks, and so we got new sheets for the beds. And then this is for Nico's bed, and it's pretty cute. I like the design. And then this is for our bed right there, and the fitted sheets right there. And then I also got 2 of these for our throw pillows on the couch. And this for my plants. And we also got new utensils, and there are only 4 per set, right? So we just got 2 right there. And then got this for our mirror in the bathroom, to clean our mirror. This one is for the kitchen. A fake plant. I know I have a lot of real plants, but then our bathroom doesn't have natural light, and so I want to get like a greenery for our bathroom right there. And then these are for the hand towels for the kitchen. And I also got this bag, which was I think $1.99 or something. Right? This one. So cute. Look at that design. Ta-da! And I got 2 of these for our hand soaps. And that's it for our Ikea haul. Alright, I'm cooking right now. I want to make like a beef bone soup, or we call it linatang baka, or what is linatang in Tagalog? I don't know. But it's like I cook the beef for like an hour and a half to make it really tender, and then yes, it's a soup, so I'm gonna show it to you guys in a bit. In an hour, so let's see if the meat is tender. Let's see. So I just put water and then salt, pepper, and I'm going to add chilies because we want it a little spicy right there. And then I'm going to add, and I'm just going to do it this way because it's all going to wilt and get cooked all together. Okay. And then after that, I'm going to add some cabbage when it's almost time to serve. Right, let's cover that. I'm going to add the cabbage and let it simmer for 1 minute, and then serve. All done. I just got a delivery. Let's open it up. myself a strapless adhesive bra. Ta-da! I got some KN95 mask, and this one is actually, I think it has different colors, so let's check it out. There's gray, there's maroon. I like that this here, the strap is black, because if it's white it easily gets dirty. There's pink, cute. There's black and blue. Last one is light blue. That's awesome. Yeah, so if you guys are interested, I'll put the link below. And then this one is, I forgot, what is this? Let's open it up. Okay, so I ordered, these are the little shoes. They're so cute. Look at that. Right there. I think there are 8 inside, so let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm actually going to use this as like a token for an event. Okay, and then this one is the so awesome. It has a remote. There we go. I actually ordered, I think there are two sets, right? And this one too. It's the same one.